Have you ever felt like your online course platform is just a place to upload videos and quizzes? You're not alone. Most creators stick to the basics, missing out on a treasure trove of hidden features that could completely transform the way you teach and grow your business. Let's take a closer look at some of the most underrated tools inside today's top course platforms that you should start using in 2025. First up, advanced analytics and insights. Sure, you might check how many students finish your course or pass a quiz, but did you know many platforms let you see exactly where students pause, rewatch, or even download your resources? These detailed analytics can help you spot which lessons keep students engaged and which ones need a refresh. It's like having a behind-the-scenes look at your students' learning journey, so you can make your content even more addictive. Next, automated learning journeys. Instead of a one-size-fits-all course, platforms like Thinkific, Teachable, and Kajabi let you build conditional paths. If a student struggles with a quiz, they're automatically sent to a refresher lesson. If they breeze through, they skip ahead. This kind of personalization keeps students motivated and helps them succeed, all while reducing dropouts. Don't forget about built-in community features. While many creators rush to set up Facebook groups, platforms like Kajabi and Mighty Networks already offer community forums, leaderboards, and gamification tools. These features encourage students to connect, share wins, and hold each other accountable, turning your course into a thriving community. Interactive and gamified content is another hidden gem. You don't need extra apps to make your lessons engaging. Platforms like LearnWorlds and Podia let you add clickable links, pop-up quizzes, and even branching storylines right inside your videos. This turns your course into an interactive experience where students are in control. On the business side, most platforms double as powerful marketing tools. You can build upsells and cross-sells directly into your course dashboard, trigger automated emails based on student actions, and offer time-limited coupons that pop up after a module. These features can boost your revenue without any extra ad spend. Accessibility is also easier than ever. With built-in AI captions, transcripts, and translation tools, your course can reach students around the world, breaking down language barriers and making learning more inclusive. Finally, integrations can supercharge your workflow. Sync student data to your CRM, auto-enroll learners into webinars, or get notifications in Slack or Discord when someone completes a course. Your platform becomes the hub of your entire digital business. So before you launch your next course, take a closer look at what your platform can really do. These hidden features are waiting to help you create unforgettable learning experiences and grow your business faster than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and let me know in the comments which feature you're excited to try first.